Hello and welcome to D-Class TV, where today in this episode we're going to show you how to make a tonneau cover for an AC Cobra. Thankfully inside of our workshops we have some very dedicated and skilled staff who know exactly how to make one of these from absolutely nothing into what we see here, a finalised, finished tonneau cover. So now you've seen how we make one of these inside of the workshop. I'd like to demonstrate how to remove one of these from the vehicle and what it then takes to put it back on. Always start by removing the tension by undoing the zip through the middle of the tonneau. And then remove these lifter dot items, unhook from the steering wheel, and then slowly work yourself around the body of the car. And then you can hook completely and remove from the car. One of the nice features about how we've made this tonneau is if you needed to drive back, it's raining a little bit, this has actually been made into a half tonneau, so we can fit just this item on. Providing you've got no passengers, this simply pops back into place. And now the driver can drive back, should they require, making sure the rain doesn't enter inside of the cockpit. Right, now in the reverse order, fit this back over the roll hoop, zip the back, put all the poppers back into place, hook it over the steering wheel, and then to finish, just sit back up from the middle, and that's it. A fitted tonneau cover for this AC Cobra for Redline Engineering. These tonneau covers were very popular in a lot of old English cars, and you'll see them quite often, Triumphs, on MGs. We're able to make them for any vehicle that's required.